Hello guys. Now tell me, I'm going to show you how to install something in today's video. Now mm, tell me in the comments if you know this. A game similar like totally reliable delivery service but not. Have you known it? Tell me in the comments. Your answer is Human Fall Flat. So first I'm going to show you. Go on Google, as you can see. You search Human Fall Flat APK award. Open this link if you have to play with me. And then install this link and this link. When it's installed, I'm going to show you my are installed. Let's see. Yes. Now open an app which is called or download an app which is called Zarchiver. And let me first delete this app and go on Zarchiver. Let me first delete these things. Now first go on download. Scroll down until you see your link. This one, not the zip one. Click on it. Click on install. And then again click on install. And then I will show you something what to do next. As you know, if you are watching this, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe. And if you know that it's blank screened every time, I'm going to fix your problem in this video. Okay guys, now I'm going to show you what to do next. Let's see. Click on the zip and then let me see. Let me remember. Yes. Click on extract. When it's extracted, go on download device memory. And then go on Android OBB and then erase the app from here. And then go again. Click on Android OBB. Wait. Let me reset this. Okay. I think it's resetted. And wait. I think I've done something wrong, guys. Let me check what's wrong. Okay, guys. I have refreshed my phone and let's go on Android OBB. And on this file, extract it right over here. See, now it's extracting. Who opened the door? I don't know, it could be the wind. Okay. Let's see what's happens next. Okay guys, when it's installed, let me show you what to do next. And let me remember what I have to do. Yes, when it's over here, then go over here. No, first click on over here and then do this and then click on cut, go over here, right over here, and then paste the same link over here. Now just click over here, wait, do this, delete, and then delete that same thing. And then you have to clear everything. from your device. Okay, guys, when it's done, open Jimin Fall Flat. Allow, click on allow, and enjoy your whole game. Yes, now there will be no more blank screen, guys. No more blank screen. It's already safe. As I told you guys, nothing wrong can happen to your mobile. How such possible way can something happen to your mobile? Let me show you if it's real or fake. Yes, 505 Games, Curve Digital. This is my favorite company, guys. Game company. No breaks game. Touch to start. Guys, you can enjoy your whole game. Everything is working fine. And yes, there could be some problem with the date. Yes, nothing wrong. Yes, I can sometime go live. And yes, tomorrow I will show you the mansion to train level. How to beat those both level. And yes, between passing the whole game, I can anywhere go live, guys. Any time, any single time I can go live. Stay tuned, subscribe if you're new to the channel. As I said, we'll meet in the next video. Till that, bye bye. I'm recording with Vidma recorder. Install Zarchiver. Yeah, how did what a joke. This is not the same picture. Which time? When's date? Oh, what's up here? We'll meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye.